Indian troops have launched a massive coordinated search operation in the Samba district. The operation was launched on Saturday in Nangal, Chilladanga, Goran, and the adjoining forest areas. The troops carried out intensive searches as a part of the operation. New Delhi controlled state investigation agency backed by the Indian police and the paramilitary forces has launched a major crackdown across occupied Kashmir. Coordinated raids are underway at the various locations in Srinagar, Ganderbal, Baramulla, Sopore, Kupwara, and Handwara. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has extended an offer to India for a comprehensive dialogue to resolve all the outstanding disputes, including the Kashmir dispute, stressing that wars between the two neighboring countries have brought nothing but suffering and misery to their people. Prime Minister Shehbaz, addressing a ceremony in Islamabad, said, after settling disputes like Kashmir and the water distribution, we can talk on trade and counter-terrorism as Pakistan is the worst affected country by terrorism, which lost 90,000 lives and over $150 million economic losses. The inhuman treatment of the Kashmiri political prisoners by the Indian authorities has once again come to light as the reports have surfaced regarding the deteriorating health of Muhammad Ayub Mir, a 63-year-old Kashmiri detainee serving a life sentence in Jammu's Coach Bhalwal jail. Muhammad Ayub Mir is battling the third stage stomach cancer, a condition exacerbated by the prolonged medical negligence on the part of the jail authorities. Despite his critical state, Mir was shifted to Jammu Medical College only after his health rapidly declined. Nuclear security experts have raised serious concerns about India's persistent nuclear security failures, calling on the International Atomic Energy Agency to investigate the growing number of the radioactive material thefts and trafficking incidents in the country. Over the past 3 decades, more than a dozen confirmed cases involving uranium, californium, and other radioactive substances have surfaced in India, exposing glaring loopholes in the nuclear safeguards.